How to find your Steam trade URL. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this quick tutorial, I'll show you the fastest way to find your Steam trade URL. This URL is useful if you want to receive trade offers from Steam users who aren't on your friend list. It allows you to keep your Steam friends list uncluttered. You can also share this URL on third-party trading sites and Steam community groups. Finding your Steam trade URL is straightforward, although it can be a bit confusing. First, make sure that your Steam is downloaded, installed, and you're logged into your account. And then go to your profile and click on your profile. On your profile page, scroll down to the right side and open your Steam inventory. Once there, click on the trade offers option, and even though I don't have any incoming trade offers right now, you can scroll down and select who can send me trade offers. Here you will find your Steam trade URL under third-party sites. You can use this URL anywhere. If you have shared your URL too much and you want a new one, you can generate a new URL for your account as well. So that's all there is to it, to finding your Steam trade URL and how to use it. So thanks for watching this quick video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and like and subscribe if you have enjoyed this content. Thanks again, and see you in the next one.